photographing her eyes. Hi, sweetie. We got eyes opening. Oh. Is that a girl or a boy?
It's a baby girl. Chassie, hush.
How many others are opening up?
I am doing it. Can I have a bracelet out? Mom?
Yeah, for just a second.
Okay.
Hurry, hurry.
Casey.
Look for eyes.
Chassie, hush. Little ladies has a little open. Hi, little ladies.
Oh, I can't see. It's so dark.
Oh, here's Peter. Oh my gosh. It's this side.
Oh. Can you guys see? It's so dark. There's an eye open. Pretty girl. They're so cute.